Hey guys, it's Screen Insight, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys how to generate VEO3 videos and use VEO3 for completely free. So let's get into the video.
Hello guys, if you want to make videos like this for free, subscribe to my channel, Screen Insight.
Okay, so if you want to generate videos that I showed you guys at the beginning of the videos for free, you just have to follow my steps and then you'll be able to do it. So first you have to go to Google and you have to search for Flow and just open up Flow, and after that you have to click Create with Flow, and then you would see an option to subscribe. So you just have to subscribe to the Google AI, and then you would be able to generate AI videos. So let's see how that is free. So look, now you see that the subscription is 0 per month for the first month, and then it charges you the 5,600. But you can cancel the subscription before the first month ends and you won't be charged anything, and I will show you how to do that as well. So I'm going to click Get Google AI for Pro for free, and it's gonna buffer, and then we're gonna have to add our credit card info. Don't worry, you just have to add your credit or debit card info. It won't be charged a single penny. You just have to enter it for the subscription to be activated. So I'll quickly add my credit card info and then I'll be back, and let's see how to use Flow and VEO3. Okay, so I've added the card details. Now I'm going to click Save, and it's going to proceed to activate the subscription. Thanks. And it starts today, the free month trial, and then it's going to be asking for the payment on 16, but we're going to unsubscribe before that. So cancel anytime and you won't be charged if you cancel before, and we'll send you a reminder before this 7 days before the trial ends. So I'm going to click subscribe, and it's going to subscribe to the subscription, and then we can use Google VEO3. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So now we're subscribed. Okay, so let's go to Flow now since we're subscribed, and if we click on new project, here you can see we can go from text to video. So what I suggest you do is you use ChatGPT to generate prompts for your Google VEO3. So I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. I'm gonna ask it to generate a prompt for a video. I'm gonna show you live. So generate. Sorry, I'm gonna generate a prompt for VEO3 video with audio that is 8 seconds long for a viral monkey vlogging video where the monkey is vlogging in Paris, and behind him is the Eiffel Tower, and he has his camera arm's length. So I'm gonna ask GPT to generate the prompt. Now it's gonna give me the prompt for the video. So video style. So there's a prompt. I'm gonna copy the prompt. I'm gonna paste the prompt in VEO3. So I'm gonna use VEO3 fast, which takes the least credits. So there you go, text to video. I'm gonna wait for the video to generate. Oh no, wait, I should have made it to one video, but it's okay. It's gonna use more credits, but for now it's fine. We're gonna change this to one video per prompt. Okay, the video is ready. Let's have a look. Since the prompt wasn't that professional, you should use maybe the other tools. I didn't generate the prompt properly, but yeah, because I wrote like this, there's some things that you need to write in the prompt, so that's why the video is a little bit messed up, but let's have a look.
Bonjour from Paris, baby. The grind never stops. Bah, because even in Europe. Bonjour from Paris, baby.
It's properly fine, and you can see they generated 2 videos.
Bonjour from Paris, baby.
So you can see the Eiffel Tower.
The grind never stops, even in Europe.
So that's how it works.
Bonjour from Paris, baby.
Now I'm going to show you how you can change the settings. So change the settings. So we're going to do output should be 1, so that it takes less credits. And you can try VEO3 fast or VEO3 quality. VEO3 quality would take 100 credits though, so that's up to you. I'm gonna suggest you should go with VEO3. Now the next thing is frames to videos. So in this one you can provide images, and then that will basically convert the image into a video, so it's really cool as well. Now I'm going to tell you how to cancel the subscription. So for that you have to go to, so you have the credits. There should be 1000 credits from the start. So you're going to click on manage membership, and over here you will have the option manage change payment method, change membership plan, cancel membership. There you go. You can click this button to cancel your membership. So yeah, that's basically it for today's video. I showed you how to get your VEO3 and use your VEO3 for free. So hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye bye.